Viewer question, what's the quickest way to set up my tripod and level it without having to mess all around with it? Now, if you already know about all this stuff, that's great. You can go watch another one of my videos. I get questions all the time from people who are new and want to know things that they don't know. And I like to do that. The viewer asked, how do I set the tripod up quickly and have it leveled without putting it down and messing with the legs and unlocking the other leg and moving it this way and moving it that way? It's really quite simple. The first thing is you set your tripod to the height you want. Extend the legs out and take one leg, just about the height you want it. Let's say right there. It's going to be like that, and we lock it down. Now we just turn the thing upside down, unlock the rest of the legs, now we just set this leg while it's together to that leg, lock it down, set this leg to the height of that leg, lock it down. Now we have all three legs, but it's closed now at the same. Open up your tripod all the way, flip it over, and you got a pretty good chance of having this thing level at that point. Instead of mounting your camera on here and having all your rig, and then you're adjusting this one and adjusting this one and adjusting this one, that way you're set up, and any adjustments you do are going to be very, very minor. All right, check out the Basic University free courses, free assets, free sound effects, and the other stuff that's over there. I have deals going on all the time. On February 29th, I got an 80% off deal on a course. I'll put the link below in the video. After February 29th, that deal is gone, so get it now or you'll never see it again. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Wow. Hopefully that sound doesn't suck. Let's move up here, and where we're talking, that might be okay. I don't know if it's going to be above my head, but fuck.